To make a signature in Outlook, all you need to do is log into Outlook Online, go to the top right hand corner and click on the cog. Scroll down to View All Outlook Settings. You're looking for Compose and Reply. And then in this pane here, you can make your signature. Now, I haven't got a signature, so I need to make one, or at least one. So I'm going to make a professional one. And for this, I'm going to put thanks down, and I'll put in a picture of a bit of a signature just to make it look nice. Now I could play with the font sizes and all things like that, alignment, whatever you want to, but you're trying to make a professional signature. And when I press save, I've now got the option to choose that signature for my new messages and for any replies and forwards that I have. If I want more than one signature, I can add another. So I could do personal, just write cheers, done. When I press save, I could choose which one I want as my default, and then I'll show you how to swap between them and add them to messages anyway. If you're going to regularly change, I'm going to say for new messages, I don't want a signature. And then I'll show you how to add them in. And that's how easy it is to make signatures. So then when I go to a new message, if I enabled it by default, it would already be there. But because I didn't, when I get to the bottom of my message, I click on these three dots, insert signature, and I can choose which one depending on who I'm emailing. And it will add it straight in, save me typing every time. And that's how easy it is to add a signature.